Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick and informative tutorial, we are going to explore something very important and often misunderstood in NumPy: the difference between copy and view. Understanding this will help you avoid bugs and memory issues when working with arrays in Python, especially in data science workflows. Let's dive in. Let's start with copy. A copy of an array is a completely separate array with its own memory allocation. Any changes made to the copy do not affect the original array. Creating a copy can be memory intensive and time consuming, especially for large arrays, as it involves duplicating the data in memory. To copy an array, the copy method or the np.copy function in NumPy can be used. Copies are suitable when there is a need to work with an independent copy of the data and want to avoid any unintended side effects of the original array. Let's take an example. Here I am creating two arrays, array 1 and array 2. Array 1 is the original array and array 2 is the copy of the array 1. Notice when I am changing the element of the array 1, array 2 elements are not getting changed. This is because a new memory is allocated to the array 2 since it is a copy of array 1. Now let's move to view. A view of an array is a new array that shares the same memory as the original array. It's essentially a different perspective of the same data. Creating a view is memory efficient because it does not involve duplicating the data in memory. It provides a way to access the data without additional memory usage. Views are often created using array slicing or the view method, which allows to create alternative views into the same data. Views are useful when one wants different ways to access and manipulate the same data and are comfortable with changes affecting the original array. Now we are using .views, which creates a new view of the same data. That means the newly created array is just the another way to look at array 1. So now any modification will get reflected in both the arrays because they share the same memory. To check whether an array owns its data or is just a view, we use the .base attribute. If it returns none, it means the array owns its data, like in the case of a copy. If it returns another array, that's the original array from which it was derived, confirming its view. And that's the end of our explanation of copy versus view in NumPy. Remember, use .copy when you need a fully independent array and .view when you want a lightweight reference without duplicating data. If this helped you understand the difference, drop a like, comment your questions and subscribe to the channel for more Python and data science tutorial. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.